Project ejesirwe Integrated Smallholder Direct Program ISDAP kaneyo kwataraho abariisa n'embuzi ebyokurya by'amatungo ez'omutindo hamwe n'amatungo agonjirweho omutindo.
If you talk about sustainability, in our work, always we ensure that we are involving the private sector. We are involving the government. Because as an organization, we are there to support processes. We are there to support government ambitions and national development plans.
But with integrated smallholder farmers is about resilience against drought, resilience against prices. So when the milk is low in production or cost price, maybe the bananas are doing better, or the coffee is doing better, or maybe the climbing beans are doing better, or maybe the potatoes, sweet potatoes are doing better.
Abakurukorwa mu kitongole kya SNV yuho n'abatiire emikono ahandagano n'abebembezi ba districts 12 ziri omu byanga ebi okubaasa kuta project egyo omu nkora. Okucondooza nikworeka ngu ebicweka 8 hari 100 by'abariisa omu ihanga bakiri omu rurengo rw'ahansi, enshonga habw'enki aba SNV bashaziremu okubakwatiraho.
We're also introducing coriander. This is a tree, but if you cut the leaves like this, cows will eat. It will regrow very quickly, and it has very high protein level. But this coriander is also fixing the nitrogen from the air into the soil. So it is also fertilization, the soil, but also giving good feeding to the cows, because feeding is quite important for that.
Abantu begesibwe babe sensitized bamanye kiki ekyokukora hakukuba oborkuba otamanyire kiki ekyokukora. Ente no baragikwa, embuzi no baragikwa, enkoko no barazikwa, oborkuba otamanyire kiki ekyotekwa kuzikora kurora ngo ebintu ebi byatandika kukuha sente, then ekintu ekini kikulemu.
Abwekyo extension services zetagisibwa, of course iraho naka sente kataito okubongeramu amaani nako nikajja kwetagisa.
Mukuru w'ekitongole kya SNV omu ihanga Pomoro Mafosa nagira ngu endagaano ei bakozire na gavumenti emyaka 10 ehingwire bimwe aha bigendererwa n'okwiha abantu omu bworo.
We also want to see the youth engaged. We also want to see the women engaged in dairy farming. We are looking in this particular project at reaching 15,000 smallholder farmers.
Abariisa barikuhika omutwaro gumwe n'50 nibo barahwerweho omu districts 12 z'ebyanga bya Rwenzori, Greater Nkore hamwe na Kigezi. Aha bwa TV West ndi Era Akiza.